The Gospel of Matthew is one of the 4 books in the New Testament of the Christian Bible. It is traditionally attributed to the Apostle Matthew and is a significant account of the life, teachings, and ministry of Jesus Christ. Genealogy and birth of Jesus, Matthew 1-2. The Gospel begins with the genealogy of Jesus, tracing his lineage back to King David and Abraham. It also narrates the story of Jesus' miraculous birth, including the visit of the Magi and the flight to Egypt to escape King Herod's massacre of infants. John the Baptist and baptism of Jesus, Matthew 3. John the Baptist prepares the way for Jesus, baptizing him in the Jordan River. This marks the beginning of Jesus' public ministry. Teachings and miracles, Matthew 4-25. The bulk of Matthew's Gospel contains the teachings and miracles of Jesus. This includes the Sermon on the Mount, where Jesus delivers the Beatitudes and numerous other teachings on topics like love, forgiveness, and the kingdom of heaven. The Gospel also records numerous miracles performed by Jesus, such as healing the sick, feeding the multitudes, and calming storms. Parables, Matthew 13. Matthew includes a collection of parables, which are stories with spiritual lessons. These parables often illustrate the nature of God's kingdom and the response of people to God's message. Opposition and conflict, Matthew 21-23. Jesus faces increasing opposition from religious leaders, leading to conflicts and debates over matters of faith, authority, and interpretation of the law. The Last Supper and betrayal, Matthew 26. Matthew describes the Last Supper, where Jesus institutes the Eucharist, Holy Communion. It also details Judas Iscariot's betrayal of Jesus, leading to his arrest. Crucifixion and resurrection, Matthew 27-28. Jesus is crucified, dies on the cross, and is buried in a tomb. On the 3rd day, he rises from the dead, and the Gospel ends with Jesus commissioning his disciples to go and make disciples of all nations. Great Commission, Matthew 28 verses 16-20. The Gospel concludes with the Great Commission, where Jesus instructs his disciples to baptize and teach all nations, promising to be with them always, even to the end of the age. In summary, the Gospel of Matthew presents Jesus as the Messiah, the fulfillment of Old Testament prophecies, and the Son of God. It emphasizes Jesus' teachings, miracles, and his role in establishing the kingdom of heaven. It is a central text in Christianity and provides a foundation for Christian beliefs and ethics.